Hello everyone. So we'll discuss a repertory today, that is Borik's repertory, given by Oscar E. Borik, who was the younger brother of William Borik. And I would say it's a bit lesser used repertory, and probably the reason is that if you wanted to know this repertory pretty well, if you wanted to use this repertory pretty well, you should be knowing the basic and the chronic terminology of anatomy pretty well. There are certain terminologies in this repertory, just like Borik's Materia Medica, that is not commonly used. So you have to be knowing the anatomy and especially the physiology or the pathology up to that depth. Then only you will be able to use this repertory pretty well. So it's a beautiful repertory, and just like Phatak repertory, just like Clark repertory, you won't able to make the totality of the symptom each and every time from this repertory, but there are certain peculiar rubric in that, and you will able to distinguish and differentiate your case pretty well from this repertory. So try to use it, try to learn the pathology and the anatomy from the depth if you want to use this repertory. And so if I give you the introduction of this repertory, Oscar E. Borik repertory is the used bedside clinical repertory which has been attached to the homeopathic Materia Medica by William Borik in 9th edition. So it was basically attached in the 9th edition of Borik's Materia Medica. It is based on the Materia Medica by William Borik. If you know the concept of totality, how we have to make the concept of totality, first we should be try to find out the cause. What is the cause of the illness? What is the type? What is the type of the illness? We have to diagnose it in the clinical way, pathological way, in the investigation way as well. Location. What is the location of the pathology? What is the sensation? What is the concomitant? Modality, whether there is some aggravation or amelioration or not. So this we all have to check out. Arrangement of the rubric. So this arrangement of the rubric is pretty important in repertories as well. Just like Kent repertory, the rubrics and sub-rubrics are arranged alphabetically, and sub-rubrics are arranged as cause, type, location, character of pain and modalities. So this is the type. Some of the special feature I would say, the largest section is the female sexual system spread over 24 pages, and smallest section is the tongue spread all over only 1 page. The largest number of rubrics are in the skin section. It has 102 main rubric, and least number of rubrics you can find out in gums chapter. So this is something about the special features of this repertory. So now we will try to discuss some of the interesting rubrics from this repertory. Skin verruca. So often this bracket won't be given in repertory. In my software somehow the bracket has been given, but in certain software or in certain repertory, in the real repertory as well, you won't able to find out this type of small bracket. So skin verruca means what? That bleed easily. Think of cinnaberries as a remedy. How many of you have given cinnaberries? I have started using. Okay, female complaint preceding and attending flow. So the female has the menstruation flow which is preceding, which is delayed, and attending flow, and pain in the malar bone. So pain in the malar bone. So you should be knowing where is this malar bone actually is. So malar bone, we have the single remedy, but we have sternum mat, and this is the malar bone. We also call it a zygomatic bone. So it is here. So you should be knowing the anatomy from the depth as well. You should be knowing what is malar bone. Another example I will show you. Locomotor joint, nape of the neck, very neck. So very neck, we call it a torticollis, but in some software and some repertory there won't be this bracket. So you should be knowing what is very neck, and he has only 17 remedies. How many of you Simicifuga, a wonderful remedy, Lacnanthes, a wonderful remedy, especially for the very neck. Gums burning, especially lots of burning in the gums. Think of antipyreginum as a remedy. Think of some allergic skin cases, this is person who have some facial allergy, lots of burning in the face, lots of redness in the face. Think of antipyreginum. It's written in Borik's Materia Medica. Read this remedy, especially the face chapter, the mouth chapter. Anus, rectum, fistula in ano alternate with chest disorder. So there is fistula, anus, alternate with chest disorder. Only 3 remedies: Silicea, Calcareous force, and Berberis vulgaris. think of this remedy. So in this depth you should be knowing the anatomy very well. Female sexual system, vagina coldness, lots of coldness in vagina, think of boric acid as a remedy. Brows, warty growth, lots of warty type of growth, especially in the brows, think of this remedy. Think this remedy, ananthrum. So this is all about the boric repertory. You can also read my books. Do write down to me, nishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my